Alrighty, so this is to change the font in PandaDoc. So we want to highlight the text. We can go to add custom font. And it says to add a font, enter and add import URL from Google Fonts. And so what we're going to do is go here. We can try one. Lotto. No, let's do Poppins. So we do a thin Poppins. And then you want to make sure that any previous ones you already removed. And so we're going to go to add import and then select these through here. So through these parentheses, you want to copy, enter here, bada boom, and it's right here. And it will be here for that agreement, for this template. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.